Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning. Good morning. I just dey try to tag people wey in their life. Good morning. Okay. Monica, say video when I do yesterday, now because of the way you enter YouTube, go dey lie. I make the thing. It come over vex me. Say why this woman go just dey chop lie. They live her life inside lies. I no come add to that soul. You understand? I no come add to that soul. But more deal. Now just small thing now I want to analyze here. You see the pains, the agony, the tears when you do to Isoke. You don't dey feel the same heat when Isoke feel. When you come out, you sit down with Joko. That day we are so rough. Very rough. You come out. You say the time when the Murphy go house. Wait is okay. Tiaga kulo boyo we. Oge toga we kialelo here. But in your own case now, whereas the same thing when you accuse that is okay for now, that thing that you did do. The same thing why it be say the thing you go like the thing you like any me. No why ya la jan we like me now ego ya la jan we like me now. You go dey preach against the thing. When you know say everything when you dey talk, it dey inside your hands. Emi ya no blanca eya pa obo. Eya ro obo. Everything when you dey talk, it dey your hand. Una mu Isoke la dia. Una sansan wa emoniko una miamia wo wodo ho ni gaje. Una miamia wo he di Murphy o wodo ho ni gaje ma o. To the esona la de live video wo eri soke ero ga wona de soke ma o egbe o kere iya na ave timi we na akpobo yo we edenu ga ro bi soke ga fie utebo na you cause your husband not pay me you can't insult is okay I don't know whether na accusation or in mind or accuse. But when you are more boto, well, in fact, we made the video. It's okay that they are going beleya yeo. When it's okay to vembo yo, again dinner Nigeria woman wikia. We are to you now. We are here now. Hey, so we are zone. In my God. Again, when I talk Isoke, oh, what is okay, G? Oh, what is okay, Raja, Monica? Oh, what do is okay, Raji? Oh, where the Murphy is okay, Raja, even where you marry, is okay, you marry. You they feel the same pains when now it's okay on me just they talk. They feel the same pains when it's okay feel that time. They come and they shout like dog. But I can not way. It is okay, it is okay. Where ras, I mean, where ya no talo is okay. Wow. I don't like the Murphy, yes. I don't like I say it's okay. No, they call your husband, they sit down and say, what you they do, say no good, yes. But who give you the right when you go carry it's okay, come out? Where in why now in Nigeria? If they can now way even the video or the picture or go with a phone. Iya go anyhow belekwa. Any night they still really come here and do aim ya we yeke. So that you know believe the video kwa. Now when you don't reach your tone now. Why it be say anytime when people talk about you, who onu dia eh? Who onu dia eh? Who onu dia eh? Dobono benue. Dobono benue Monica. From the beginning, you first preach against the thing Isaac Budu awe nenemi. Isaac Budu awe nenemi. Ebi abi o awa don't wanna owe yakia don't wanna whereas just the difference be say Ambrose they follow outsiders elelevi vie ma wa tie bonagbo ye Monica go and reflect back have a video no go reflect back while there 2020 igiwe saga anyone you offend when you forgive just like that. And you just want the forgive, just come. A forgiving your worry, happy? Or worry. A forgiving or worry just because you have asked for it. Monica, go carry all the videos when you don't do. Go sit down, watch some. Go watch some. Go watch some. The way you dey open mouth like wild animal. Not be the one when me do yesterday. Not be the video when me do yesterday. Not me day after. Me they talk about people when you don't choke out for them. You know how many people you don't cause pains. You know now you make me know say now devil now they call God pass. Now you make me know say ave su or to salobo say. Why when enemy no where waka wuya e tie we jo. Do you know how many people private issue you have brought to social media? Iya tie o wa menje bi ya gbelegun me o wa we ma wa be jena. O we ma wa be jena. So where did they veer? Oh, we maniguegwan, oh, we ma wareje because we not come your house. Oh, we je. Oh, we je, we are deal with him. Oh, we ma wareje na. And then where tia boni soke, where in filo bojo, where we kia here, dead your emma swing wall the secret way. Uwe akwabona ya kugbe wiya timwe. They no fit carry your hand. Mo we no nya we so we bona mu se a na amu wo we. They don't carry your leg now. They don't carry your leg now. Why you can't leave the leg? Where go say no we a na mu. We ma yo bogbe we. Where any man when say don't fuck me, make he come out. Any man when as if na Ambrose is virgin you. Mo have single mother la dun rovinya. Have single mother sinya only do single veni aje. O ma no single o wa ma so wo wa e wo single o e ke no ri won je gbe ya la ma kama. O ma no single o ma so we. Even if you no beg anybody, mami so ke ya figwe yo tonu imi I don't even dey pity yourself. Get video no there. They say, I have a team where ya man know when no dear secret in here, near ya awards you. You just say now, don't have a binana. Oh, way bully walking to the social media. A bully way. Where is a bully ma? Then the mason now will be out a real life in out a big meow. Who is a deal with a precious Maggie? What ya big bear? Look at you now. Oh, wait even there. And you're not feeling for no zebu. I'm coming, guys. How they come? Yeah. Sorry, guys. Just go try this some kind things. You understand? I pretend the way me or maybe now where I am your man. Or where, eh? Where I could be have a social media said, they say, una mi have cool. Like when it's okay, was Jenny. Maybe you pretend because that is all you are. That is what you are good of. Without we apologize, they'll just walk on top. People, personally, when me wajina, you know, if it cost me without apology, we'll just walk on top. No, you must apologize. Apology, not just normal apology. With tears, who apologize to Isoke. Because the same thing we're accused Isoke of, or was soon that way now. Now they happen to you so. Now what did you do to Isoke? Now don't they happen to you so? Am I now Monica, they are adulterous woman. Now they don't call you now. Try to analyze things. Try to convince people. Who are you convincing? Are you the one fitting me? Who do you want change the brain? Monica will come out. Or Rovinia yan egbe maron le Rovinia wa. Wa baluhunwe. But look at you today. You have belonged. Stop the pretense. Stop the pretense. Wow, Nemiya wow. What they okay? Why is okay? Or who might may be and be? Because that one self in live video. Oh, ya why? Because how why me? Oh, mommy, me no way. Who give way money? The video when you do that midnight. And there I ask myself, this woman no get husband for her house. Even if you don't get husband. Yes, we go forget the matter, embrace love. But Monica, sometimes, God, but the way money, it's okay not be human be that thing, it's okay not the husband house. Over here, do pataki. Or it's okay, you were when Monica were one kakabo. Where the morphine over here do a traditional person, you it's okay, you want, when no jay. Our Emina Wema say. I will have a double soy. Emi yata, Monica, emi yata. Emi ne went got an apple for her that time for did a palace, See the way you carry the matter put for head. Na mo you wa so bobe we or de buene. Should the case you forget, make I remember the name when you give yourself there. The queen of all cats. Now you give yourself the queen of all cats. Now you give yourself. The queen yani Obama yezo eriswama yiko Monica Obama yezo eriswama yiko Obama yezone Iyeswama yiko. Who the hits they hit now? Isn't only you. Now you they carry your fire by yourself. Now you they carry your hits now. Now you they carry your hits by yourself now. You Monica, may I tell you, you see those people, those they have okbe mama when you say they your back, they don't love you yama when they were. They don't love you. If I love person, I don't go they support and say, go make trouble. Because when the trouble will start to the burn now, in your private household or not be me when you say now. Those people, when you think say that they support you, they are not helping you. They are leading you to your destruction. Yes. Monica, those people pushing you, they are leading you to your destruction when you don't destroy. they'll turn back. You think say you day like you get 20,000 viewers. You think say everybody when you did that oh God. I was there, I was so there just to come see you. Do my nobody or tearbo no one without apology or tear the person. Just and that is okay. Now me can tell you. You don't sit down for the same chair when it's okay sit down for that time now. Of course, na family friend. Why not be family friend before? A family friend, now. A family friend or na family friend. Abi you say na a brother. Now wait till they deceive Mama Walabi. I don't even come here can talk about who is sleep with, who is not sleep with. Now the people when you don't deal with. Monica deal with people now. Monica deal with people. Not be say this one or what beg the person as a threat. As all of them take their live video, Monica he dislike is everywhere. He dislike is everywhere. Or what anywhere you will say they give a key of this life. Even if na person like Monica hold the key of this life, just be like that. Was video. Monica, here any time where I not get apology for anybody. Na lie. Come out publicly. You not be any. See, now those when they face you, just as you they talk and say, as you they deal with people, now you even love them. Now so people see they tell you now, Monica, bring down your pride. You are the proud one here. Bow down. Apologize to the people you have offended because Monica, you have offended people dearly. When you not here dearly. Oh, where eti gewe. Iwe no make na no ro egbe no ru we egbefu. Do one we dey your body we egbefu. Salopwa. Wa sleep around. The mo fi an la denya tokpa. Ot your born is okay. Yeah, talk about your born is okay. No, maybe imete wageleta where. Yeah, put my phone for China. Me, I say when I come start to investigate, when people come they tell me about you, even me when me so Monica, when I just come yesterday, I say you do the me when me get later, if I open my mouth, now the way you take dance your dance, now so people will take dance and follow you. Anyway, the way you take. The way you take dance your dance, when we yakbe, lelewe. If you don't want to make this matter just quench, people just still ready say, na let Monica be after all. You even get a lot to face inside, past the one when they face for outside. They will let you be. But you say you go the waka on top. Oh boy is a da. If you like, go there for message inbox as usual. Go there beg people. But if all those people are seven, you be saying outside you for cause them, you go there beg them for instance. Okay, problem here. Then their mumu even pass your thing. Their mumu you go even worse pass your thing. So Monique, even if you don't beg anybody, don't be the one that you put they beg. Go beg is okay. That is okay. Get away mind. Born well, Having well or says okay. When belly picture well at the picture evidence. Now I'm to yesterday talk and now you say heaven one for. Man, now when you belly more really belly your picture come out evidence or raw. Of a lad, I'm away Photoshop, Of a way Photoshop, because we they calm down say I want a picture lad and now I a picture raw. Bam, our blow But we are not that wicked. We picture so make me a picture so me dunji. Yeah. Make me a picture Monique so me dunji. Oh, man, no rugba mama sona. So okona wa me o vie na we gbe o ye la jon o ya tie body at least I am your man phone na. We all know, but you make us understand that all where or what phone. Oh, where? Yeah, we am your man already. But many money can last car check up. I don't say they talk at that time. Oh, woman. Oh, Jema ya zolo. Oh, Jema ya zolo. When we are you wala in Nigeria, gan. Unave la, unave agbe you bury. Is that how to analyze or when me your man accusing me? Is it they were agree to the accusation or it defend them in a way the man ya believe? Wa agbe you bury. Who is this? What is this woman really take those viewers for? Am I sorry? Ya agree? Ya gear. So they laugh. My mind they tell me saying, all your team, now so all of them be like Ivie. Ni mighty gbina negbiya. Energy ni vie ya gbina nu where ni Monica. Wori mu vie jagase social media. Yes, wori mu vie jagase. But Erenivia ya gbina negbe we o janu na disgrace to me. Maybe say me yeti me ava o. Ni ya gbina nere no ya fight no ya get it able to ya gbina no we no mind negbo. We no mind negbo. When you go just see person, you don't block him every year. Once you just see person ask you the real truth about you, what block on, why are you blocking people? If what they accuse you of, then why are you blocking people? Why we are go block him? Oma wa temata mawe. Who block him? Oma wa temata mawe. Why are you allergic to truth? Yani kiambu we baby. Ni temata. You prefer them. Oma wa temata ma walk you we. Oma wa temata ma walk you we. You take everybody as Ima no maseme. Where are you running to? Warulerie. Agbonakbano. Given wije. Monica, you might take a winner as your personal job. Uwe, my name Monica no. Mo banano, I winere. Wina me last check up. I winere. If you were on our lawyer, winere, oh ya surviving. If you were now our lawyer, winere no. Office me wave jena. O wa mi je viya file gu me winere. Me na oka egbe lolo na ladi ona wuye ma mu winere. We na te winere obu enya o ekokian na. Monica winere ni we mu e. Okuno eti la da we winere job yen. I winere iya wa mu ne bio we mu. Detu we magele itus detu magele ame umagele gbinwe we khoe umagele gbinwe be ave evina nanuga o cheating de umagele gbinwe emi gbe ate je ma ya khian emi gbe ate je ma ya khian wonu even we see my gbe, and most of them they are eating their tears. When I say me na bege we una ya tie loveti. Hey God, in our dislike in our way. Hey Monica, me that woman was really up to something. I never knew that woman also was up to something. Diave do bomie wo ho ni ogeleti we o wori ti ho ni ma enu wa iva una waranua. Tata. And you make us believe a lolo. Oh, gossipy way. You preach about gossiping, and you were the oga pata of gossip. Monica, waname ekwenu wegbe Ike when we no see any na time, me wa me gbo ma be nu jeve sagin. Ime mo ime gba wa. Ime gba wa. Oma be ne Monica wa ye me wa mo so ime gba wa. I want use power do one. Ya yetin yawe. Mana beg me. We more when any say. We more we say. Waiting. Dete our woman ve. If another person husband. When my even we ya tune. Estelesi. Only go. But I never knew then your husband was the oga. Me mate we again wame elolo ya tune estelesi woligbo no me mate we igbo dede we ase ken weje kaka ogisa wa egbe na we na do ladian we o ma no sigbo ivo and so what Monica, why it be say everything when you tell laugh people when you go reach your turn you go say and so what? Why? I watched one of your short video. You said they should not expect you to judge your husband's matter or to judge your own matter the way you judge Destiny or other people. So why? Why will your own be different? Why? Then you will come and you will be you will they put fear for people's heart. You will they put fear for people's body. Trying to manipulate them with fear. You destroy people with fear. They say, Mona, they forgive. Me be Monica. Is it by force to forgive? Is it by force to forgive? If you offend me, even if you beg me, I feel forgiveness is a choice. You don't force people to forgive you. Come here, come the art film when not get head. Do I art film no mamu? Just come out publicly. Monica, apologize. Just come out publicly. With sincere heart. With sincere heart, because even me no gwe gwana no gwe me when me gbele la die in ya toge who survive when Monica who survive dojo brismo come on you defend by all means try to preach fear into people. Why are you preaching fear into people's hearts? Why must everybody live in fear? No. You don't manipulate people with fear. Sometimes you just they do video. See the way you come out. This is the same Monica. Last 4 days ago, you came out. You were preaching the same thing you condemned before. Go and watch. A topic in make 4 days ago. Then a topic in were made 2 years ago. And now opposite. 2 years ago, we can make a topic. Where you say people when you get husband, when they fear, they follow everywhere. You have your boy or they test ago. But 4 days ago now, you want preach the same preaching. Where you say me that they even if your husband they cheat, if he even consent, you just say they go where we are lelewe ahia where we are Yahweh. I want to say this woman hand on the meter. It will about die. Obogele de woman na. Obogele die. You don't see your life. I beg even we are in the air. You still feel the zugegbe na. Ou j'ai une opportunity na noya imia. Ou you still they try to hold ground. You see, they try to hold ground, Monica. You still have. See, you can even see it from my voice. I am different from the video I did yesterday. Now, when you poof, now when they try to, to convince people to put the opposite of what they are believing in them, trying to put it in them, not even trying to make them believe, trying to put the words inside their head. Oh, me, now that one they provoke me. I know they feed me. I know they feed for your house. So you can't manipulate me. You can't convince me to love you. If I want to love you, that should be my business. That should be my business. You know how many people don't pray for you? You know how many people they pray for you? Not positive prayer, negative. They tell me now, many people for become bad person. Many people they will become animal. They don't get human feeling. So after a Monica one woman were condemned. People when you be say you don't carry their matter, read social media, but then they can never get their self again. Even if they get their self, they will never remain the same. They will never remain the same. You destroy people. You destroy people out of anger. You destroy people just because you want to, just because also you want to wicked them. The most quiet person in my beg is a social media. Hey, Princess by bed, very quiet. She's different from her stature. She's very different from her stature, but una mohoni la duna review. Una mohoni la duna review. Was aloba no jomo ya bless him. Una review. Go, you don't have paper. Go and get a charge for yourself. With your money, you can have a charge. Oh God. Or maybe it's a muta, Or maybe it's a muta. People that is classifying you to be devil. Monica is not a devil. She's worst. Monica is worse. Monica is worse. Monica, when this battle is over, when this fire that is burning you is over, I beg you in the name of God, change those people. They are evil. I know you have used your hand to cause fire upon your head, yes, but they don't supposed to add to it. Your real friend will always tell you, Eminuna Emma, which Lolo never did. I know, I understand. But now that both of you have separated, why are you carrying Emani Jose Lolo? Which Ete Lolo do you anything because we be able seeing it from distance. Because Emino Yame ya sometimes observacity are here, but a little difference are raw. Do you know why I said that, my people? No geri manasunu. Okay, Nigeria, palace issue, A Monica Giladia. She was like the wildest animal in the forest. Wildest animal in the forest. Elolo ma kwanjo. I was waiting when Elolo do kwanjo. Elolo Giladia. Obun yeti owe o meke no vi o ya finu yin mai so in fact eri ke do wu. O ma finu ge ba so eyan do sun. Then I said this woman o emi no. But Monica mwenene mere o value wa. O webe mene Monica wa mwenene meni value. Nya eti gwanyo. But those people need gwanyo. Not that they can't talk. Not that they can't talk. They nya emi niya o. And anybody might guaye Monica or guayemeni. Or guayemeni. Monica, go on. Just come out publicly. Make sure any evil. Make sure the people, make sure the one you know is very heavy. And the ones when me remember, and let me talk so. The ones when you know say really heavy. When you know say sometimes a way video na ya regret. Monica Ladian. May you not come kill yourself for silence. At least we still love you. We still love you. Not me say if you see come and try rubbish, the secret, your things when you dey with me, I will have a gbele. Yes. Not try convince anybody again. We have had enough of your bullies. Yeah. We have had enough of your bullies. Awe social media presenter, yana do amo awe. Yana do amo anywhere are nobody they dare the top put. See your shakeable mama when you say now touchable mama be not shakeable mama of Germany. A woman ni. In a more way, in fear Monica pass God. Yes, if fear Monica pass God, or more Monica Susalubwa. Just because of ya beg away. Animal Animal, a dangerous animal, they don't have conscience. You have sold your conscience. Hey, bringing people down, bringing people private issue to social media. Hey, man, in a say where do go a problem, but there are many people who deal with. I'm at say where you no do go yo. It's okay no ro. I'm at say where you. I will be a baby and be no Roma because again no na lelewe. Sometimes why bezo yo to no te be and be no do guayo ogile ado do guayo. No be and be me day after. Why husband? You see be and be husband like your husband mates. We beg always be and baby we ambrosia. Wasi I mean, where would I wear that way? You they try to manipulate people. To manipulate people. I see some comments. They most comments when I see they were once your followers. They are disappointed. Most of them are disappointed in you. Yes. Most of them are disappointed in you. Monica, if not for the sake of your family or your husband people, but for the sake of your children, Monica, for the sake of your children, stop fighting a battle you have lost already. You are a loser. Hey, no lost in it. Come out and apologize. Stop the pretense. When we were losing, if you like, go carry in fact, no be because picture of it be the video when it be say na another man go just dey on top of your opponent, your partner in crime. Go carry the video. We not there after that one again. We are after the pains and the tears you caused to people. My boss say me na be discussing me na. Osununde, maybe two friends or they work out or they play say mo go be that person, but the one when get wisdom and say I'll withdraw. The one when go we and strong is on die on your wow. Give bata we wave lolo white by plan me, but a platform where I sometimes when you are discussing it, a lot of it here. I'm not saying she's perfect, but I'm saying many may have beg from view. It's because of your character. Mana ya wole onisungwa ben wele ya wole onisoma we Monica, when secret to when no gwima bobo. When secret to when no gwima bobo. But they to when no ugi yeke. If it was you, Uriyeke, Wagbelekwa, Uya bully ya. But you see that my yogi maya bulu, I can't deal with you. If you don't repent, if you don't ask for forgiveness, and fine, but if you continue bullying people, you have to okay. Uwe rada. Uwe rada. Yes. Uwe rada. At least man like men now. I'll know person when muta they quarrel. The man na muta. I'll know say me and this person muta they quarrel, but in your own case, you don't even know who you and the quarrel. When my who were feel we lolo ewa boy bagui. You know, when two people they quarrel, the viewers they must get everybody get the right to get favorite. You were never my favorite. You were never my favorite. Mega, that is when it may say, if I have to choose between you and Lolo, I will choose Lolo. You know why? Because she thinks before talking. A Lolo wala they misbehave. If I'm lying, you people should prove me wrong. We should start beating around the bush. We should just stop beating around the bush. If I'm lying, prove me wrong. Where a Lolo all larger wild animal have Lolo come out like wild animal. A Lolo here go all compose egbe. She compose herself. Even if here go, she will talk to that person everywhere. Dorezono. But in your own case, the ben we are governor. You remember that night when you insult B&B wife? That night, cough can't hold you. When cough hold you, I even they fear. Say, may your enemy not come. Wish your enemy. No. May you not come for. Die. Now waiting, I can't even they pray be that. May they not come call ambulance for you that night. Lolo no they do anyhow. If they press button, they do say in a blogger, in the blog. If they use the hand, they blog. Sometimes una know say we dey always get that kind of person for family that time. They go quiet, but they go when they go they deal with you, you go regret ever offending them. Una know we dey always get that for family each person. But Monica now those kind of children when you go they grow they go they insult elderly people. They were here why ya gbeka no se we Monica ga ahin oga o ti e boni no de ogbe no rie ko ogbe no keko de emoni ga anwa ni ma me control they we no why ya so ebo how they say the speaker say picking when no get control Monica ga ahin another character na can on social media. She insult the people when it be say they even reach to bona, they even reach to be grandpapa. Omuya la jomuya jaga. If not only to wait till you do it's okay, and princess by birth alone, you don't reach where you take put your knees for ground. Monica, did you know God? Do again on salo bois. Ekin wega do we are way. Even when I see my life, we are aware. You make me understand where Esu or Salobwa say. You and Lolo that they say yes. You and Lolo do this one, yes. But when time reach to come out, Lolo will withdraw. Or say yeke. Because your family logo well, no, I can't do this. Then when or talking and do, you go hit hand for chest, yes. Yes. Now me go fit talk. There's this a lot of nam with topic or not take the topic. Weri ladia. Uri ladia. Uwe lolo maetite. Elolo wa mwe topic agbono ya value. Gwa yo making. You say lolo no sabi talk for people matter because she know they used to run. Even there is this day, lovely, he can't tell Lolo, say Lolo, trouble no fit you enter house. If not lie, they talk water. Lolo, trouble no fit you enter house. It not show for your body, just they force yourself, they make trouble, not lie. Why it be so now, when we know, say most of us know the truth, they try to use the thing, rub everywhere. Lolo, they cut people picture. He go try to make the person ugly or can't write something put for on top. Even yes. But say you even the day when B&B insult Lolo, when Lolo come and come insult B&B back. Say, if you see the way Lolo they talk, the way she they force herself put. Oga force bejo. But the money koka wa mo we B&B la dia rovie ona gelo rovie. Igbinale Lolo. Wama understand. Yeah, I don't still talk, say, people when Monica or Femi go back, the Monica, those your supporters, they don't love you. Now me they tell you, yeah, I love you, eh. If I be your supporter, Monica, believe me, I not go agree, may you go they do those rubbish when you they do equal, because you wear me way. But because they don't love you, they just want you to burn anyway. Say, I no get again. That is what they are doing. And they are destroying you. They are destroying you. Anybody that pays you to go and make trouble is not your friend. Anybody that pays you, or just because you are making trouble, they are the worst enemy of this world. Where you just because of say Oma or Tiebonoma, they talk about people married, they talk about who cheat, talk about who not cheat. Where you go well at the way you support them and just because that person is bringing people down, you are evil. You that is giving her money or giving him money, you are evil. I'm Monica supporter, you are evil. Any day why would why you sponsor Monica you phone bringing people down. Ekponi vun la o. Yes. Ekponi when vun la o. Because money are not. Emagele need to go for serious something. Emma need to go for serious something. Why ya push Monica? No destroy egbe. No damage life for her. Monica may destroy sena. Monica oye na nyeni afia Egbe only her body go they go. Monica she's just trying to bend the matter, trying to make it right, even when everybody know the matter is wrong. Monica is guilty of everything they accuse her of. Even if the word she's saying is not, she's guilty, but her body language says so. Her body language says so. Monica, it may be well for the sake of your children. Come out, beg. Forget those your sponsorer. Live your normal life. You can also be on social media, living your life without making troubles. But if you decide that you want to do it in troubles with, my dear, more are still coming. Now, because of what I see, where I mean na la de okona ogbegbewa, or what I hear, I not telling okona ogbegbewa. The ones when you don't hear, compared to what you have not heard, they are nothing. They are nothing. It's either you apologize publicly with your sincere heart, or you wait for the worst. biggest person who give bring a Benin down say, hey Monica, yeah. The biggest person when even bring Benin down, reach Monica in all day. The mighty people when Monica fought their name are all Benins. Some are Edos, some are Benin. You know, when I'm as you say, or say English na Nigeria general language, na so Benin. You when they say speaking Benin, na so Benin be general language of Edo State. If you don't know, okay, na so Benin be general language of Edo State. So if you they bring the state down, or you be Benin, they bring down. No, not say now let Benin they bring down. Now you Edo State now if they bring down. Speaking Benin or not speaking Benin. You being Benin does not differentiate or no Edo State na Benin. Benin is the capital of Edo State. So Benin is the general language. Benin and general language to Edo State. Okay. So stop deceiving yourself. Those of you following Monica, following her is not the problem. But pushing Monica to destruction. Pushing Monica to destruction. Monica, see, forget your backbones, all those your backbones. Forget them. Forget them. Come out. Come out. Ave manini wodio yagu egwan. Iyama etiwe. Iyama, they did what they did because they seen that your bullying was really getting out of hand. And umama manoga when if he talk to you, omaro. I know if they see insult. And wetin make audio people come from you be that. So no say faceless people, audio people, no. Your bullying was actually getting out of hand. Emmanuel bullying, Isha Osage. And then men were the day when me know say you don't even know what you do now be after insulting Osage, after eating your shit, after insulting his mother. Una do say, na me, the only big man wife. If that one come to see the use inside, they tell you say, which big man wife? Who give your husband big man wife? Who dash you big man wife? I say, see, na only me, the only big man wife. I say, see, I dey forgive, I dey quick forgive. Like Princess by birth, na been we watch the ujo emomo yagbe ukan. If you know he don't so na yagbe ukan. We what I will forgive him, I forgive. You just forgive you, and when I can't gather eat for the same plate, it don't your reach, it don't your pass with that. You get some people when you go offend them, my dear, just run for your dear life. We are here. No need. Even if you beg them for forgiveness, just go. No near them because if they see chance, they put pepper for you. I have to okay. Yeah, to not only the Benin, not only the being the Benin or not Benin, she should apologize generally, Monica, with tears, with pains in your heart, with tears in your eyes, knees on the ground. Okay, I apologize, and they will decide whether to forgive you or not. Stop destroying. Stop destroying yourself by saying, man, he apologized to anybody. He apologized to anybody. And people when you try to tell Monica, to people will say, hey, forgive and forget and move on, just like that. Just like that. Because na me create Bible. Because I be Pope. Because you hear say I be pastor. Just evil people when Monica don't offend, nobody be pastor for there, even self. even if na pastor, you know, just like say, hey, I don't forget it, or just forget like that. They will, some of them, they will so deal with you dearly. You know, there are some people, you know, say some people there when you be saying, when you be their enemy, your hand not go feel meet them. But such people, they'll come make peace with you so that they go really deal with you. So, you know, see, mommy love, oh, now, love it, or don't love it too, with your own when they happen now, go make you get sense. Or don't love it, could it get you from distance? Ona sikewe, ogi sikewe ona deyo. So be careful, be warned. Now you go dance past. Ugbeso wa ajiku half of eneniku, they know half of eneniku, full eneniku, oh yawe, or vueva. I don't beg. If they can't forgive me now, they know. I forgiving. Ask yourself, did I really beg those people with my sincere heart? No, you didn't. You didn't. You think apologizing is just something? Yeah, it's just something you just give to that person you offended, and that person will just take it just because you release it. No, it doesn't work that way. It does not work that way. And when I very my dear, loving me, or that is una insult me in public. If you insult me in public, my dear, I will forgive you. I will forgive you from my heart. But you will not longer eat on the same table with me. Do you know what that means? From distance. Whatever. You just be there. You will just be there. Many people, many people are in the wine. Your boy forgive Monica. We baba kawe Monica mami erun wena ve social media ni. Eria ve na ewowa. Baba kawe Monica di morie foche Monica no mwishu me ade social media. Monica ki ave gwan yo madam. Monica na ru me onari magonari ba ona valewa. Eve ni viene re eve va ya. We bone ne mati. We boni mati, ore boni noa. Megite like a boy boni for how long? Monica go ori mweme boni latia. Ona gele zanzaiwa. Menaya we Monica egele or ma we, not knowing that she sees Ebony as a threat. She sees Ebony as a threat. Anybody in Monica Ibegene as a threat. Or money, okay, lion. She will turn herself to lion. She will even give herself name. Queen of all cats. Queen of all cats. Ave do bomio, even if now you be the oga pata of the coven, which uwe tuke kan. If you reach his house, they'll still give you. Uwe you who know calm down. Monica, I beg, because orere no rotona ladia. Me they tell you now. The one when you never see, if you come out, Monica, you can't handle it, eh? You cannot handle it. You can't handle it. This one when they grand now, the one when you don't come out, when people they try to clear your tears now. People when they clear your tears now, they not go tell you say no, yeah. Me when yours they tell you now, you go say I don't talk to faceless people. I don't talk. The Nigeria where Monica go, she was not comfortable. Ask Monica, were you comfortable? It's time for your chest. Say you dey comfortable when you go Nigeria. No. You know they comfortable. Giagbode na temata. Ebony young girl no my marry. What way? What did she do you? E Sandra Noah. Ugi di with a girl in una is when I see a kegbe. You go see Lagos actress, all those Igbo people actress, maybe they do. You go follow them. You go they like and love. But Edo actress, una muya la una zanzinya. Uma oni a grow. Those people when you deal with now, their first time when they take visit abroad, that be that. E Monica na zazia wa venuna ewe ovie we yahin. Monica, why are they against people's progress here? Why are you allergic to people's progress? Awe Bonivian aretia yaga agogo. We are in UK, we are UK. But you scatter everything for their hands. Awe do bomiewe. Let me say another tribe, you go can't do Benin actress like that. You know go come and fight for them. With your influence, with your energy, with your viewers. Won't you fight for Edo actress? Edo actresses are be Edo movies. Won't you fight for them? Instead, you use your viewers. Because of say your viewers carry where you use until reduce Edo people down. For you to use your power, grow Edo state. You use her instead, you use until reduce her down so that only you will take that seat. Why? Social media of 18 way be say anything when God take bless you for there, you appreciate it. But Monica no go appreciate you. Whereas you are the one jealous of everybody on social media. They are the one fighting me. They are fighting me. They are jealous of my viewers. No. We are work for bosses abo. Now let me go get her. Now another person no go follow me share. Another person no go follow me get her. Me now, if me see say my tribe person they grow, I go they happy. But Monica, I go find one way I know that. Ebony don't become this thing before. They always they see her with all those Lagos celebrity, you know. See them sometimes I go see her for film. I go they happy. Even if I know they comment for film, I'll come comment. I'll say I'll no. If I want to comment, I'll say I love Ebony, you know. I can't do if any this when I foresee Benin person or my state person. Very mad. You understand? So Monica, am I anywhere? Ọ̀rẹ́ no gbe ma we ni ma vio e la dia no ya gbegbo a. You understand? No ya gbegbo a. Me I dey even dey beg. We ni I vio e la dia. No we tell na go and beg. Lolo don't apologize. You when they say me Lolo self still talk. Wetin Lolo want talk? If you are not a talkative, basically people no fit force people make you turn to a talkative. Lolo is not a talkative. Monica was a talkative. I'm not supporting say Lolo or this thing. No, we all know that Lolo was never a talkative. Lolo was not a talkative. Monica is a talkative. that video when Monica do for Nigeria, when he hit hand for table, open hands like woman when not does man, was it right? Was it called for? Was it called for? I have taken over. I have taken over. Yes. You have taken over. But people when me know, say Monica, we ain't take over sickness, take over war, man, no, take over. Stop saying what we add to make it faster. And what did they call her? You won't comment that comment say Monica better. See, make I tell you, make me tell you. Now people like Una now lead Monica so to destruction. See, for if you don't grow for village or you don't grow for where elderly people dey, now treat them when quiet, now they receive their blessing. If you don't know now. A money go and I receive their elderly people prayer for their village. You won't be talkative now. Course now they carry they follow that picking. Yeah, we are here. Why ya base no say. You when they say Monica na talkative a lot na silent DC. See, I make I tell you now. Children when they quiet that and they receive elderly men prayer for their village. You see all those talkative on a cause they follow them if you don't know. Now cause now they follow them. People like Monica now elderly people go do something for their president. You ain't tired. They go talk. You when they write that rubbish. If me tell you Monica things when you dey with me, ma belela dia. Now you go even fair. Now people like you go fair write rest in peace for them. Yes, you idiot fellow. You know what Monica they do behind camera? Even security. When you be say your when you day your body now fear. Of fear. You don't see the way people take shift their cutting. You don't see the way people take shift their cutting. You when they write that useless comment. You don't see the way people they take shift their cutting. They look for window. So once see the stone when go hit this woman for head. Because Monica not come and they shout, "Bo, I dey die oh." Una one may resort to that extent. Say she go come and they say, "I dey die oh, Mona come help me oh." Bless una no Monica. Or when the Monica wow. Or when the Monica wow. Even if she did die, and whereas her don't they meet and she know. Ew, nothing they do me. Oh, Monica stop the pretense. Go and talk to B&B husband. Imi okbeani. Imi soke. Ima wenu ya imi Dimofio. Imi soke. Yes, Lolo and Monica, they were both say, yes, we agree. But you don't see the way Lolo they compose herself when she want come out. You don't see the way Lolo, even if Lolo want to put for matter, the way she they talk, you don't see Monica on. We go even see one example give from waiting people when they support the kind of people when they Monica. When they support Monica, people like Ivie, when they have a lot to do, you know, they carry big load when be say they never feel solve. And people like Ivie, Now they follow Monica. You can see them. But Monica, you can do better. You can do better without carrying costs and, you can do better. If not only cost, go listen to one heavy course when Mary Edos cost you one certain time. I shout Jesus. I shout, my heart fly. Mary Edo, if you see the heavy cost when it take cost you, I say God. No, madam, talk what you want to. No, you go say make I public Monica. Because when you deal with me when I want public. Yeah. You go follow and cry, ba? Sure you go follow and cry. You when they write this nonsense, madam, talk what you want to. You go say, no, don't be madam, talk what you want to talk. You go say, madam, the secret, your in Monica secret when you deal with you, I better bring and come out. Now so you go for tell me. Now so you go for tell me. Waiting you when be useless person not fit tell Monica. Just because of if you talk and go kill you, now me they tell her so. Say Monica, go and not be go. Come out and apologize to especially it's okay. Me and your first say it's okay because now waiting they happen to you now. Now waiting they happen to you now. Now you tell laugh is okay that time. Say your husband go Nigeria, yana away. Yes. Your husband go Nigeria, yana away. I no go even recommend say because most of una self now put Monica go the one when she did so. Na so as she know where egbe mara Monica na annoy. Monica ba well. Monica iye hu mi. Monica ba well. Iye hu mi. Monica ba well. Iye hu mi. Obogi de Monica. Ana idozege ya azo esene. Ana ya say you know, see, me I tell you, I said those kind of people, how they quit me, then you know why? You go use heaven and earth, you use and take cost person, then you come say, I don't say to. I say how they quit me those kind of people. You know you intimidator. You don't know how many people when you go when you poison just because of say waiting they use their mouth take cost. Oh my me. People supporting Monica, they hate her, especially those when they hate Monica. Go listen to what Mary Edos talk. You say Monica, mommy, see it's too horror. Monica, those when they support you, they don't love you, They don't love you. Come and make you come beg those people when you offend and you can live a better life without carrying people's insults along. Monica, maybe you they delete some videos when you they do. It gets some kind of videos when you do when you go see and say you go fear. Say, many Monica wa you go surprise. Especially that midnight when you they shout. I even say they go call ambulance for you when you they insult a B&B husband. I think say they will show send ambulance for you. Monica no show a real face. They think they show a face a banner. Monica they talk truth. Monica they talk truth. How come those things when we they talk? Those pictures where Monica are public, why you not public ever since? Why you not public ever since? You say you be the cat of all cats. You are the boss. You are the actor. If you are the boss and the actor, why will you fall in love with a married man? Why? If you are not an evil woman, why will you fall in love with a married man? You do not reach. Now you can't even fall in love with the man. start to they intimidate his wife. After you, now everybody gets you. Agbonya one now because of if it go away. Then when the secret don't they leak one now you come back and they say now so we go here, now so we can't go the dance, now so we can't go the dance. Monica, this heavy one when you want come out, you can't take it, my dear. You can't take it. But before it's too late, may you just apologize to those people, because the kind heavy one when you will come out, I say, I beg people, Mona no verse. I beg people, Mona no verse, because now waiting me sing. I mean, when Monica wear, oh wa menje, di ya send the gume Monica women meje. Oh women meje. Oh women me wave je, but we wave dele je mana. Yes, oh women me wave je. Oh boys said that. I bet people may not bye. I say when this secret go or vele kwa Monica. My people mona bye. Mona bye. If Monica no come out, already na or vele kwa. One na me we like you, so now I can tell you. My way yani po ma ye wo. Oh sunu banya ya ile. Walk back and walk back, we go a walk and moon die. Walk back very well, walk and moon where die. But Mona bye, Mona take care.